Come here.
You wanna go upstairs? My baby's tired. Ready to get in the bed?
Come on, baby. Come on, go watch TV.
You're so sweet. You're such a sweet girl. I know her tired. You had a long walk today. Yeah, a long walk. You're a baby girl. Come here.